National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Brazos County in southeastern Texas until 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Bryan Utilities Lake to 5 miles west of Snook, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tennis ball-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Bryan, College Station, Steep Hollow, Bryan Utilities Lake, and Cal Field. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Transportation. There has been a significant vehicle accident at the intersection of Regent Avenue and East 26th in downtown Bryan. There is a large fire, and telephone and electricity poles are down in the area. Please avoid the area to let first responders work. In addition, a recent hailstorm has caused very large amounts of hailstones to collect on the streets in the Bryan/College Station area. This will pose a significant hazard to drivers, similar to that of sleet, ice or snow on the road. Please remain off the roads, unless you absolutely have to. Postpone 4th of July travels until all... The North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected the launch of several ballistic missiles from a foreign country towards the United States. One of these missiles is expected to impact our area within the next 30 minutes. This is not a test. If you are outdoors, immediately move indoors. You should move to the interior-most room of the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Make sure you have food, water and medical supplies for the next 14 days. Repeating, the North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected the launch of several ballistic missiles from a foreign country towards the United States. One of these missiles is expected to impact our area within the next 30 minutes. This is not a test. If you are outdoors, immediately move indoors. You should move to the interior-most room of the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Make sure you have food, water and medical supplies.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Brazos Valley Communications Center. A previous message sent out about incoming ballistic missiles to the area was false and was sent out as an error. There is no ballistic missile threat. The error was believed to be caused by a power failure caused by a car accident in downtown Bryan. Repeat, there is no ballistic missile threat. The previous message about incoming ballistic missiles was false and was an error. Please stop calling 911 asking if we are about to get nuked. Most of the hail that was covering the roads this morning has melted, so residents are free to travel again. However, still be careful as there still may be water covering the roads from the hail melting, and more cars will be on the road than usual due to 4th of July traffic, as well as anyone who may have fled the city during the false ballistic missile threat.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Brazos Valley Communications Center. The 911 telephone system across the cities of Bryan and College Station are currently completely out due to extremely high call volume. It is believed thousands of people are trying to call 911 due to rumors about the false ballistic missile situation being spread online. Once again, there is no ballistic missile threat to the country. Calling 911 will not work on any device due to complete system failure. If you need help, dial the Brazos County Sheriff's Office at 979-361-4900. Again, if you need help, call the Brazos County Sheriff at 979-361-4900. We will attempt to fix the 911 system as soon as possible.
The 911 telephone system is down. Please try again later.
Please go through. Please pick up. There's a fire at Walmart.
The 911 telephone system is down. Please try again later.
If anyone can hear this, please call. It's spreading fast. Hello? Hello?
One telephone system is down.
If you can still hear this, I'm at 2200 Briarcrest Drive.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the College Station Fire Department and the Brazos County Fire District. There is a large fire ongoing at the Walmart Supercenter at the intersection of Briarwood Drive and Freedom Boulevard just southeast of Bryan. The cause is unknown, but foul play is not ruled out. Emergency response may be delayed to reach the area due to 911 system failures. All residents within the Oak Ridge condos and Windover East neighborhoods, or anyone north of Windsor Lane, west of Highway 6, and south of Briarwood Drive are advised to evacuate to the south or west, as this fire has a chance of spreading from its epicenter. If you are located out of this evacuation zone, please do not enter, as it creates unsafe conditions for emergency responders and those evacuating. The 911 system has been partially restored, but is still experiencing issues. Please do not call 911 if you do not have a life-threatening emergency.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Brazos County Sheriff's Office, as well as the fire and police departments of Bryan and College Station. All clear. The fire in southeast Bryan has been taken under control. All residents are free to return to their homes, assuming none have sustained any damage. However, residents are advised to not approach the Walmart on Briarwood Drive and Freedom Boulevard, as it has been completely burned down. The 911 telephone system has been fully restored, and is fully operational. Still, please only call if you have a life-threatening emergency. The car accident in downtown Bryan has been cleared, and it is safe to travel on Regent Avenue and East 26th again. Be wary of individuals spreading rumors online. Do not participate in spreading these rumors, as mass panic has occurred because of these. It is believed the fire in Southeast Bryan was caused by a combination of people panic buying supplies leading to an altercation that somehow ignited 4th of July fireworks. Authorities are currently investigating, so this cause is only preliminary and may change. Any suspects believed to have caused this incident will be arrested and charged. If you have any information about this event, please call the Brazos County Sheriff's Office non-emergency number at 979-361-4900. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. We now return to regularly scheduled programming.
Chicken jockey! Watch out! Keep him away from your face! Shock him!
Sing